everyone, we from Group 5 will present about explanation text. Okay, let's see. Before we present, we will introduce ourselves.
Hi, introduce my name Maria Rosa Mistika. I explain the definition part.
Hi, my name is Veronica Chika Andini. I will explain the generic structure.
Hi, I'm Clara Ambar, explaining the language feature part.
Hi, I am Trisna and Cecil explaining the example part of explanation text.
Definition of explanation text. For those of you beforehand, does anyone know what explanation text? Explanation is a text which tell process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history books.
Generic structure of explanation text. Let's go. 1. General statement. General statement states the phenomenon of the problem to be explained. 2. Explanation contents the event sequence of event of a process which is the topic of the text. We can also explain using why and how questions, so that our explanation is more comprehensive.
Language of feature explanation text. Using simple present tense, explanatory text usually explain about a fact. For this reason, this text uses sentences in the present tense. The sentence structure in the tense form consists of subject plus infinitive or verb 1 or subject he, she, it plus verb 1 as, us plus object. Using abstract nouns, no visible noun. Abstract nouns are nouns that cannot be seen and felt by the five senses. Example, ability, beauty, process, explanation. Using passive voice. Passive voice is a passive voice. The purpose of this sentence is used in explanation text is to emphasize a word or phenomenon. The sentence structure of the passive voice in the simple present is subject plus to be is MR plus past participle or verb 3. Using active verb. Active verb is a type of verb that shows the action or action taken by the subject. Simply put, active verbs are part of direct sentences.
Example of explanation text. A solar eclipse occurs during the day, process beginning with the moon covered the sun so brightly light circumstance gradually become dark. Solar eclipse occur because of sunlight during the day eclipse by the as a result. As a result, for a few moments, the sun covered and not visible from Earth. When the position of the solar eclipse, the sun, moon, and earth are on one line. As a result of the moon's shadow will hit the earth because the moon is smaller than the sun. Then just some place of the earth's surface exposed to the shadow of the moon.
Total solar eclipse. The occurrence of the total solar eclipse took place only at the Earth's surface exposed to the calm shadow, umbra of the moon. Because the moon is smaller compared to the Earth, then the total solar eclipse cannot last long. solar eclipses usually only lasts about 7 minutes. Total solar eclipses always start and end by the partial solar eclipse. Partial solar eclipse. The occurrence of partial solar eclipse when the moon's surface close of portion of the surface of the sun. Solar eclipse ring. The occurrence of blood solar eclipse ring. When the moon is at the farthest point, the nearest point on the made white earth is from the sun.
Maybe this is all we can say. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you.